Part 1 on the 4-door Nova reveal. I already got dirty. That's project cause for you. Anyway, part 1, we're going to be removing the seats and stuff out of this, checking out the floorboards. So if you're following this build, thank you. If you're new, get subscribed and comment below. You know, it helps the videos get pushed out. If you're building a Nova, you got to appreciate the 2 doors and 4 doors. So let's get started. So jumping in, the first thing you want to do is get a good view of what you got going on, because sometimes the seats is already rusted out if your floorboards and stuff is gone, and there might be stuff in there you want to pick up and keep, and your floorboards might be full of leaves and stuff, so you want to be mindful of what you might find. Like this, for example, that's a good piece of side chrome, and we kind of need that. I do think so. We also got some bolts. Oh, that's nice. Those are small box Chevy starter bolts. That's another piece of good trim. If we don't use it, we can put that on eBay. What else do we got? Oh, a fender patch. Hell yeah. Anything else? A quart reservoir. Ooh, another fender patch. Hell yeah. Is that, that's a fender patch, ain't it? I'm pretty sure it's gotta be. That's a wheel well quarter panel patch. I think now, don't hold me to it. Yeah, it's a fender patch. Had to double take. And a reservoir. I was pretty sure this car needed floorboards. Have they been capped? Or am I just crazy? Because that looks pretty solid. Look like it's been patched or tarred in a long time ago. That water sealant or whatever. It's fine. What's this? Chrome trim. Hell yeah. So I'm going to finish cleaning this out. And then anything I find, I'll show you. I found this back window. This is for a 4-door. I don't need it. I'm not going to use it. I'm converting this car to a 2-door. So I'm going to sell that. I do got an eBay store called Busy Automotive. I might put that on our local pickup. I see what they worth. That's an OEM grass, and it's pretty heavy, 28 pounds I would say. Just a guesstimate. I found some chrome here. I'm pretty sure it's 4-door stuff, and I don't even know what these are. Found those. Wow. Inside the Nova's not looking too bad so far. I do think they just capped the floorboards though. Something tells me the floorboards needs a little bit of love. Might be the big hole down there. I'm not sure, but I think so. So the seat will have to come out. Oh, better get these. These is fines we need. Some kind of little marker lights. Set them out of the way. Is my seat bolted? Of course it's not. Well, it's more solid than I thought it was. Definitely not going to be reusing that seat. I had a super set of nice bucket seats I let my cousin, Travis, if you're watching, I hope you're happy with your seats in your Fox body, because I could have used them now I got this Nova. Here's something. That's some kind of spring. Might need that. Okay, can I get this out one-handed? I cannot. Let me get this seat out. It's out. Enough for now. How about the back seat? Can we even get that out? Will the back seat just come out? Does the back seat bolt in? Oh beautiful. It just does. How about this? Oh, okay. Let me go ahead and clean this out, then we get a look at the floorboards. The smell, let me tell you. Oh, the smell in this 90-degree heat is awful. I think the front floorboards have been capped. I'm not 100% on that. I hope they haven't been capped, because if they haven't been capped, this is solid up front. Now the back is questionable, but for it not to have a back window, that's decent. It's solid where it needs to be. The structure and supports are solid, so I could build that or buy that. Probably just build it. Does got some inner rust right down here, but that's solid. And before I can do the 2-door to 4-door conversion, even though it is solid, I need to go ahead and get this structure in the floorboard cleaned out and fixed. That way the car is as solid as it can be, and that will keep the twisting down without me adding any extra support to it to keep that from happening. But if I really wanted to, I could X-brace this car, but this being a unibody car and it being as solid as it is, and the inner structure going to stay in right here, I think it will be fine. I have no question about it. But yeah, that's a lot of potential just sitting there. Now if you're doing this and you wanted to remove your, Nova's floorboards and patch them and stuff, or however, then get subscribed to this. This is the same floorboards on the 2-door as it is 4-door. If you got a 2-door Nova, don't be hating on the 4-door. And if you got a 4-door Nova, don't hate on it. They basically the same cars besides the roof skin, the grass, and the door frames. Floorboard's the same, the rocker's the same, the back half of the quarter's the same. It's a pretty simple conversion. I mean, you could do it on a weekend with some buddies. If you can weld a quarter panel on, you can do this conversion. I have faith in you. But if you've never done it before, it might be a lot to undertake. But the main thing is you need to get your structure before you convert it solid, and that's what I'm doing here. So if you enjoyed this, get subscribed, share this video, like it, help the algorithm pick it up. I appreciate it. And comment what you'd like to see next on it.